How to verify your email address on Discord application. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. If you want to verify your email address on Discord, how you're going to do it, watch this video till the end and you will find out. So to begin with, you need to open your Discord application on your device. Then you need to tap on your profile right at the bottom. And once you tap on your profile, it will bring you to the settings, and from here you need to select account. And in account, you will find here that add an email to your account, or you can directly just tap on email here and you need to enter your email address here. So once you enter your email, then tap on change email. And now to verify that it is really you, you need to enter the password of your Discord account. So once you enter the password, you need to tap on continue. So once you tap on done, it will bring you here and they say that confirm your email address. You need to go to the inbox of your email address and you will find an email from Discord and you will find a link there and you need to tap on that to verify your email. So I will go and find the email in my inbox. So guys, as you can see, I received this email and I will just tap on verify the email. And once you tap on that link, so guys, once you tap on that link, it will bring you here and they say email verified, and now you can continue to Discord. And once you tap on that, and now as you can see that your email will be added. Now as you can see, my email has been added here, and this is how you can verify your email on Discord application. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.